Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create blur transition on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created new design on Canva and I'm going to add blur transition to my video. So I'm going to add my video here to the Canva project. I'm going to go to the upload and select videos and I'm going to add this video. But wait guys, I'm going to change the background to black. Okay, I'm going to add 2 pages because I want to add 2 videos. Okay, for the first video, I'm going to add this video and then we're going to apply animation. You're going to select animate and you're going to choose blur animation and select both, and then you can reduce the speed. Okay, and then wait, I'm going to make it full. I'm going to fit the screen like this, and then for the second video I'm going to add this video to this page. This one I'm going to add this video here, and again we're going to apply the blur animation. Okay, it's right here. Select both and reduce the speed. Alright, and wait, let me make it full just like the previous video. And for the transition, you're going to choose match and move, and you're going to select for the duration, just leave it like that. Okay, and now let's see the final result. Okay, this is how the blur transition looks like, and I'm going to play it here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create blur transition on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.